All-new C3 Aircross is a desirable, 4.32-meter-long family B SUV with tough, expressive design that inspires confidence. It features an assertive front face with a high bonnet, wide track width, Citroën Y-shaped lighting signature and powerful double grille with lower skid plate to deal with varying road conditions and maximize cooling. In silhouette, it stands out with among the best 200mm ground clearance, muscular wheel arches with large wheels and tires, and resilient protective claddings. The wide C-pillar adds verticality and strength to the body, while neat rear quarter windows add to the feeling of light and space for passengers. Windows and long rear doors enhance the feeling of height, light, and visibility, and allow easy access to the rear rows of seats.